200 arms. Men from Eniwak carried out the following unprecedented 2001 to 2002. This event occurred in Dima Gambella district where this group killed many people. The regional government reported 196 people killed, of whom 172 were traditional miners mainly from the southern nations. Nationalities and peoples, regional, state. The Ministry of Defense figures were 81 people killed, and not 196, it said. There was no difference on who the perpetrators were. These were 200 armed Enuaks, ostensibly posing as leaders of the Enuak people. Another 4 people were killed on 18, in an ambush. The same armed men burnt settlement number 13 down to ashes early in the morning. As a result, 23 people were killed and 14 wounded. These innocent and peaceful settlers were from highland Ethiopia. According to the statement, about 37 of more than 60 suspects involved in the killings and burning of houses were verified, and a federal prosecutor has started examining the records, finalizing them for federal courts. In Dima, about 40 suspected perpetrators were arrested. Once the normal functions of state and public services are in place, a fresh and new turnaround towards rapid development is mandatory. The lasting solution to the incessant conflict in Gambella is rapid and speedy development with grassroots, indigenous peoples, support. Federal intervention is aimed at creating a conducive and enabling environment for improved governance and palpable development initiatives. The government said. Gambella is located in southwestern Ethiopia bordering on Sudan. There have been persistent conflicts between the Nuer, population 90,517, and the Enuak, 62,586. There are also other minority groups in the region. The Nuers felt marginalized and the Enuak elite were not willing to give away their domination. This led to a chain of ethnic conflicts in the year 2001-2002. The statement said,